Before all gods, before even the concept of time, what was there? Not order, not light, but an endless, terrifying void. We dive deep into the ancient archives to unroll the unseen scrolls. Today, we unveil the very first chapter of Greek mythology, the birth of power, the reign of the cosmos' first king, and the ultimate, brutal act of betrayal. From the cosmic nothingness came the first, Gaia, the Mother Earth, the foundation of all that is solid. And above her, covering her entirely, was Uranus, the Father Sky, a limitless, powerful presence. Their initial union was a violent, chaotic act of creation. The cosmos itself struggled to find its balance, and beneath them lay Tartarus, the deepest abyss, the inescapable prison. Their union gave birth to the mighty, but their marriage was one of tyranny, fear, and ultimate betrayal. Their first children were the Titans, colossal gods, mighty beyond measure. Among them, the ambitious Cronus. These Titans were not just gods. They were personifications of the very elements, the ocean, the sun, the mind, and the memory. Among them was Oceanus, the flowing river that encircled the known world, and Tethys, the mother of countless rivers. And the luminous pair, Hyperion, the relentless sun god, and Thea, the goddess of sight, who together illuminated the ancient heavens. But Gaia birthed monsters too, the terrifying Cyclops and the 100-handed giants, destined for a dark fate. Uranus was not a ruler, he was a tormentor. Fearing his children's power, he committed an act of unspeakable cruelty. He was consumed by a deep paranoia that one of these immense beings might challenge his solitary rule. He could not bear their rising potential. He brutally cast his strongest children, the Cyclopes and the 100-handers, deep into Tartarus, burying them alive. Tartarus was more than a prison. It was a state of non-existence, a torment beyond anything mortals could comprehend. This torture caused Gaia unimaginable agony, as the prison was deep within her own cosmic body. The entire cosmos was disrupted by this agony. Gaia writhed in pain, and the sky grew heavy with her sorrow. She cried out for liberation, but only one Titan dared to listen to the call for patricide. She appealed to their common suffering, but she needed more than loyalty. She needed ruthlessness. It was the youngest, the most calculating, Cronus. He was ready to cut down the Sky King. Cronus was ready. He possessed the ambition, the cold heart, and the sheer desperation necessary for regicide. Gaia forged the weapon of retribution, the adamantine sickle, a blade sharp enough to slice through the cosmos. Cronus waited. He received the divine weapon, his hands steady with anticipation and burning ambition. The weapon was set. The scene was laid. The Titan waited for his father to descend and reunite with the earth. And in a terrifying moment of primal violence, Cronus ambushed his own father, striking the source of his tyrannical power. The Father Sky was vanquished. His reign of terror was over, marking the victory of the Titans. With Uranus vanquished, the shackles were broken. The universe gasped, finally free from its first, eternal dictator. Cronus had won the first war. The age of the Titans had begun, bringing a fleeting new order to the universe. But power is a curse. Cronus, the great usurper, now held the same terrifying fear as the father he destroyed. The throne was secured. Yet Kronos knew Power gained through violence is always threatened by violence. He knew the prophecy was inescapable, that a son, born from his own lineage, would one day rise to challenge him. What desperate, unthinkable act did the new king commit to defeat his own destiny? He decided to swallow his children alive. Every time his sister-wife Rhea gave birth, Cronus acted on his fear, ensuring his own bloody cycle would continue. And how did one child, the future King Zeus, escape his father's terrifying appetite to launch the ultimate war? Find out next time on The Olympian Cycle. Subscribe to the Unseen Scrolls now, and hit that notification bell to unlock the secrets of history. Don't miss episode 2.